Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's time for an unboxing haul because the sale has started and I just couldn't resist ordering something from Zara. I've got two boxes from Zara, so let's open them up. So the first item I bought is this one. They do have matching pants, but they were not available in my size. Yes, I bought a coat. And the reason why is because I never buy winter clothes or like something for in between seasons. It's perfect for the rainy days and I totally hit my face with the price tag. Super cute, super soft, and I love this color. Great start. So this one, I have to tell you something. I couldn't resist and I already tried it on. You may have seen it on my Instagram stories or like a reels because this dress is absolutely amazing. The next item is something basic and I actually got it because I have so many green colored items and I really needed a top. Like, I'm wearing green right now. The next item is also a top and I think it's super adorable. I wanted to say cute, but I didn't. It's like something more than just an actual t-shirt. And yet again, it's a knitted item and it's very tiny. Really, really tiny. I really hope it's not see-through because, but if I don't like it, I'm probably going to return this one. And then the last item was something I thought like, oh Sophie, you don't have many pants for the summer. So I thought maybe you should get these pants because you have like a really cool print. Wait, I have a super cute green cardigan. No, it's not like a cardigan, it's more like a vest. And yes, there's a clothing rack next to me. And it would match super cute. So maybe I just got myself a super cute look. So yeah, that's everything I got from Zara. I hope you liked this video and I see you again next week. Bye bye!